Hello guys, my name is Arsalan. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to solve a new Leetcode question, that is count good triplets. So the question says given an array of integers a, r, r and three integers a, b, c, you need to find the number of good triplets. A triplet ARRI, ARRJ and ARRK is coded in the following condition are true. So if these conditions are true which are mentioned below, then they are considered to be a good triplet. So what are the conditions? Let's read out the conditions. So 0 should be less than equal to I should be less than j should be less than k, and k should be less than ARR dot length. So this is the first thing. Then second thing is ARRI minus ARRJ is less than equal to a. So the absolute value of ARRI minus ARRJ should be less than equal to b. Same goes for b, and same goes for c. The condition differentiate them from is that ARRJ minus k should be less than equal to b, should ARRI minus ARRK should be less than equal to c, where x denotes the absolute value of x, return the good number of good triplets. So guys, what we are gonna do here is we need to count the number of good triplets. So just before starting to solve this question, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Now let's start solving this question out. So first of all, to count the number of good triplets, I have to create the count variable. So I will initialize it with an integer count is equals to 0. Now I have to create a loop for I in the range starting from 0 till len arr, and now I have to nest it a loop. So I will start from for j in range. Now the step I am gonna put here is I plus 1, because whatever the value of I have to just add 1 to it. For example, if the value of I is 0, I do not have to counter this value. Instead I have to counter the another value, means the value next to it. Okay, so the value next to it will be I plus 1, that is 0 plus 1, that is 1. So in the jth loop I will have to counter it through I plus 1 len till len arr. Alright, now again I have to create a nested loop. In this nested loop, so I will start from k in range. Now again I have to start from j plus 1, not I plus 1. Instead I have to start from j plus 1, because if 0 is I, j should be 1 and k should be j plus 1. So it would be k should be starting from j plus 1. So j if a is 1, then k should be k plus 1, that is 2. So till len arr. Now I just have to check these conditions. Okay, so to check this condition I just have to mention that if here if absolute value I should put one more bracket, and then I have to counter a absolute value a b s. Fs yani ki Fs means that it should be absolute. So absolute arri minus arrj, and it should be less than equal to this is the proper indent and this is the proper indent. It should be less than equal to a, and now I should copy this whole code and paste it here, and paste again. And now I have to change some condition. Instead of arri I will be putting arrj. Alright, arrj minus arrk should be less than equal to b, and again I will put another condition and copy paste the same thing, and instead of this I will say that absolute value of arri, instead of arri I will be say that arri minus arrk should be less than equal to c. Alright, and then I have to just say if this condition is true, means if these conditions are true, then I have to just increase the count by 1. So count plus is equals to 1. Alright, now I just have to return the count. Now let's check for an answer. I hope that this should work. So see, it has been running successfully. So what I have done here is I have created a nested loop inside a nested loop, and I have checked these three conditions are true or not. If these three conditions are true, which are already mentioned here, you just have to put these in a code. And if you put them in a correct order and put some logic that how where to start and where to end, then your code is successful. See, I have put the logic that when I is equals to 0, I do not have to start it from 0. Instead, I have to start from I plus 1. Okay, then I have to start my k from j plus 1. I hope you have understood that why I have started from I plus 1 and j plus 1. It's simple because if I is equals to 0, then j should be I plus 1, and if k is equals to I plus 1, then j is equals to I plus 1, the starting position of j is equals to I plus 1, then simply k should be j plus 1. Alright, so this is all the logic I have applied here. I hope you have understood this question, and if you do so, please comment in the comment section that you have understood this question. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you next time.